Farmers sell corn and the U.S. and China talk soybeans. We'll talk about it in just a moment. Welcome back to Your World in Agriculture for March 15th, 2026. And also, happy St. Patrick's Day to you here in just a couple of days. We want to thank our sponsor, Imogene Ingredients. Paul and the boys, I'm sure, will be celebrating St. Patty's Day with their whole Irish hearts. Now, farm markets on Friday, March 13th. May corn closed up 4 cents at $4.67. May soybeans closed down 2 cents at $12.25. May Kansas City wheat closed up 16 cents, the leader, at $6.13. Now, in the news, the big talk over the weekend, the meeting in Paris, France, between the U.S. and Chinese trade negotiators ahead of the summit between President Trump and Chinese Premier Xi. That will be later this month. Soybean purchases are expected to be on the agenda for the summit between the two countries' leaders. China, meanwhile, asked Brazil this past week to tighten its quality checks on soybean exports. What this could mean for U.S. soybean exports to China, we'll have to wait and see. But this all comes at a time when Brazil's exports to China ramp up. Fertilizer prices for spring planting remain a concern as long as the Strait of Hormuz in the Persian Gulf remains effectively closed. Acreage shifts to soybeans already being the talk for the March plantings intentions report that comes out March 31st. Also, money managers added over 100,000 contracts in the long position in the corn futures and options markets. This is a bet that the market will go higher. Now, this is for the week ending March 10th, and that is, of course, caught the eye of the corn market. We'll have to see what happens this next week. Meanwhile, the Commitments of Traders report for that March 10th standing. Managed money investors, again, go long the corn futures and options markets, adding 23,000 longs in the soybean futures and options markets to hold now a net long position in the soybean market of 222,107 contracts. Outside investors are net long the entire soybean complex and livestock markets, but remain net short the wheat futures and options. Crop and livestock weather. Frost threat for the wheat crop in the northern plains this upcoming week. Meanwhile, extreme heat is in the forecast for late in the week for the southern plains. Now, cattle, hog, and poultry producers, we ask you to listen up here. If your livestock have scours, Imogene Ingredients sell a product called Pharmatan that stabilizes the digestive process. It also can save the animal, increase immunity levels, and improve general health. Decrease your scour cases today by contacting Imogene Ingredients at 515-745-1639. Visit imogeneingredients.com. Again, be sure to subscribe and like Your World in Agriculture for more farm content. Again, happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm Mike McGinnis.